Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning capable of producing a tornado. For your safety, take out the instructions in the text bar.
So what about this news? Yeah, the news channel. I know, right?
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County and central Oklahoma, at 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters reported a large and extremely dangerous tornado, 6 miles southeast of El Reno, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Yukon, Richland, Wiley Post Airport, Bethany and the Village. Take immediate tornado precautions right now. In addition to a tornado, dangerous and extremely large destructive hail, up to softball sizes is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include El Reno, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang and Richland. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or the interior room of a sturdy building now. Take room now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. Do not stop under bridges or highway overpasses, they will not protect you from a tornado. Stay tuned in for news and more information on this alert.